Everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are using CapCut free version on your Windows computer, and after complete your editing, when you are going to export the video, you are facing an issue, manual dermabrasion. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can remove this pop-up and how you can export your video. So without waste any more time, let's begin the video. So here you can see the error. So to remove it, simply click on back to edit, and click on export again, and select manual dermabrasion error. And now come to the video section and scroll down and find the manual option. Simply check mark on it, and here you can see the reset button. Simply click on it and uncheck the manual option again, and click on export. So here you can see this manual derivation error will be fixed. And now come to the second manual derivation error. Simply click on it and come to the manual again. Simply check mark on it and click on reset and uncheck the manual option and click on export. So now here you can see I have only 4 error. So I am going to fix it one by one. Simply click on it again, click on it manual, click on it reset, and click on it and uncheck the manual option, and click on export again. So here you can see the 3 options. So this is how you can fix one by one the manual derivation error. After the fix all error, you can download your video. So here you can see my all our error will be fixed. So now I am going to export this video. Simply click on export, and now you can see my video is exporting. So this is how you can solve this error. I hope you find this video helpful. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.